Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another first impressions video. Welcome back. Today we are reviewing the NUDESTIX cream blush and cream bronzer. It's early in the morning. I am a little bit sleepy, as you can see, but I really wanted to try them out on camera so you can also get some first impressions. I have my foundation on and I have no powder on my face, and I wanted to go with the cream products. I am sure you have already heard of the NUDESTIX products, how great they are, and many YouTubers, they are using them on social media, on TikTok, everywhere, and I really wanted to try them for myself. These are the shades, basically they look like this. And the unique thing about these products, that you can use them for your face, for your eyes and for your lips. So it is multitasking kind of makeup product, so it's great packaging, really nice, small. Here is the product on this side. This is the shade, beautiful bronzy shade. And on the other side, it's really practical. You have a brush side. Let's see if we are gonna like it. Pale right now, and I need some bronzing. Okay. It's creamy for sure. Let's go step by step. I'll go like this. Try the brush on the side. Okay. It's working, maybe with some tapping. But for my bronzers, for my cream products, I really like to use like stippling brushes, like this one. This is for Morphe, and let's try with this. Yeah, it's easier, I believe, with bigger brushes. It's much more easier. Okay. I love the shade. Beautiful. Okay, it's blending out really nicely. I love it. Both sides. What do we think? More? For sure, this is really buildable product. Also, I'll let you in the description box after a couple of times using them, the sticks, how they perform. Are they staying for long hours on my face? Let's try the blush again. Same black packaging. I really wanted to try this matte version, and it's in the shade Sunset Strip, and this should be really nice burnt orangey pink, burnt pink kind of blush shade. Yep, let's leave it just like that. And blend it out upwards. Right now it's super cold outside, my skin is feeling extra dry, So yeah, I'm moisturizing and everything, but still it's kind of dry. Let's go like here over the nose and blend it out. Sun-kissed in the middle of winter. Some on the eyes, the lips. See, it's really blendable. Love it. Okay, I love this cover. Okay, I really like the concept of multitasking, and yeah, it's blendable. It's really nice product for sure. I can't really compare it to another cream blush formula in stick, like stick formula, because I haven't used any other till now. My dog. My all-time favorite cream blush is actually liquid, and it's from Charlotte Tilbury, and many of you have also seen my review here on YouTube. I can link it, but yeah, I love this kind of blush, like liquid formula. This one, it's nice. It's nice as well. Let's apply some on the lips. It's creamy. What do we think? Okay, first impressions. Love the shades. Really, really nice shades. Both of them. They blend really nicely. I don't like the brush on the side. So we love the cover, love the formula, don't like the brushes. I'll let you know how long if they perform well throughout the day. I like that you can use them. It's multitasking sticks. These are multitasking sticks. I love that. So I can go on the eye, on the lips, like monochromatic look. Perfect. Let me know in the comments if you have tried some of their products and which is your favorite. If you have tried their blushes, which color you like. Let me know in the comments. I would love to try more of them. Yeah, but I believe these two colors, these two shades will be my go-to winter shades. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. It's Mariya Marinova, and I'll see you in my next one.